Greetings, and once again, thank you for inviting me onto your screen. So we're doing something a bit different for this week, as the Hololive Game Jam, the third one, has started. And this is what I've done over the morning. This stuff, and a target display. I'm actually fairly fond of the target display, if I do say so myself. I can actually run this with the actual debug showing. So the actual game I'm making is the numbers game from Countdown. So how would I explain it? You get given a target display, a target number, between 0 and 999. And you're also given 6 numbers, which are rolls of dice, keeping with the theme. And you have to use equations to get as close as possible to that target number. That's basically how it goes. So as far as I've gotten is that I've got, well, it doesn't work so far, but you could not drag and drop, but you can click one of these buttons and it would show the equation, and I was just about to make it so you can drag and drop each dice number into the thing. Yes. What's wrong? Oh, right. Yes, the number holder, which is a character body 2D. Huh? Script number holder 2D keeps inherited from an ASA type character body 2D, so it can't be assigned to a type of control. Where is this? Is it in here? I think it's in here. But there's none of these were loaded anyway, so why would this be? Oh, whatever. Sorry, I tried to make a number holder that was a control, and then I decided to use this alternative one because dragging and dropping a sprite is a lot more easy than doing it with a control. So you can click that and these need to be done. Then what you can do, well, what you could do is drag and drop all of these, but these don't want to be moved for the time for some reason. Oh well, that's how it goes, I guess. The thing is, you can drag and drop these normally, but apparently you can't here because I have no idea, unfortunately. So we need to work all this out. This should not be pickable, and it isn't pickable, right? None of these should be pickable. Well, they're sprites, so there's no, and they're not shown in front. So why are they? Oh. Okay, the only collision shapes 2Ds are here. These aren't pickable, obviously, and they're not character bodies. So Why are these number holders not... Why can't I drag and drop them? No, it's just one of those things. Yeah. Okay. Get rid of those. Print statements, don't need that anymore. Put these as Z index 1. Does that help? These are set to pickable, so why can't I pick them? What the hell's going on? Oh, hang on. This bloody sucks. Godot. Pickable. Let me just check if it actually is printing. What is this? Number display, number holder. These are connected already, so I don't know. Print on drag. No, of course not. I know this should... This either prints it 6 times or it prints it 0. And it's 0, so why isn't this getting... Why aren't these getting input events? Not receiving... input. No, that's not it. That's probably because this is swallowing up the mouse input. Which is kind of odd. Because you'd expect the GUI and the other thing to be treated separately, but apparently that's not the case. This as well. Only they could set stuff to be ignore inputs by default and only have it on for like cameras or... There we go. That's better. Also, there's a little bit of a bug where if I just jerk it and then turn it off, the thing just doesn't stop dragging, but that's probably something we can fix later on. Also, we have one of those. We're instantly dragging the two of them, so that sucks. maybe probably have this as having a dice collection or something like that, and so you can only drag one at a time. And probably make it so just shove each one. Okay. Ah, here we go. And normally I could probably get introduce a static saying which one's being dragged, but unfortunately GD script doesn't have that capability. So yeah, it's definitely something to think of. See, these are all floating. Oh. Right, we have this equation base, which has a number holder, which isn't draggable. So this needs to accept either a number or an equation. Because currently number holders are for character bodies, the draggables. Object slot, equation slot, equation side, something like that. A few things. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of this. Off. Keep the container, and then we can throw it out, maybe. Which lets us make another script called equation slot. Like that. And then I need a way to get the thing that's been dropped. Okay, so function drop into which is a canvas item, and then I don't know what you want to do with that. Should basically lock it to here, and then if it is that, then get rid of this, so we can delete this. We can also delete the button because that's not going to be used anymore. And just call this a placeholder space. ridiculous. Equation slot. So the base one would have a number holder, an operator, and a number holder. That's good. Multiply, don't need to change that. However, for add, we change that in. What was it? Divide. I don't want this divide operator. Instead, what I'm going to do is, well, first of all, this is not going to be a HBox container. Instead, it's just going to be a normal control. And then we can have the HBox container as a sort of wrapper. HBox container like that. And we can, not change the name, but rather the type to control. Oh, fuck off! It just, this shit happens sometimes. Which means you need to... Oh, fuck off. Just... Right, I'll chuck those in for the time being and then have these out. Change type to control. And of course it fucking breaks. Why the fuck is it not even... I really don't want to... No, it's not this. Oh, I can't believe this. And it just goes back to the thing. You just can't... What the fuck is going on? Can't change it because reasons, even though... What the fuck? Fix your fucking shit, Godot. This is ridiculous. The script is a control. Fine. Go back. Right? Detach script. Change type. Are you fucking kidding me? Fuck off. Just fuck off. Can't even change the bloody type of a base thing to inherit from something else because apparently that just breaks everything. This is ridiculous. This is absolutely... This is... No, I don't know. Fine, file manager. Take all of these, put them in the zip. Equation old.zip. This is not a serious game engine. Delete. Yes. Because you won't let me bloody change the fucking type. I have to bloody remove everything. Right, child node. Please tell me my shit's still on the fucking clipboard, eh? Right. They should have a number holder, an operator, and number holder 2. I think we'll get rid of this. Instead... just do anchors. for the time being. Point 0.33. 0.33. No, it's not that. It's 0.25. This as well. Custom anchors. 0.75. And the operator is fucking nowhere, of course. Okay, it is in the center. Except it isn't because... Yeah, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, both. It's so difficult just to type one bloody thing. Right, that's that. Save that. We have that as an equation as well, and then new inherited scene. The one where we don't change anything. This will be our equation multiply. Another inherited scene. Right, now I'm going to hide this. Make it so that this is instead on top by 0.5, 0.33, 0.33. Actually, now it turns out it's 0.25. And this next one will be 0.5, 0.75. Instead of an operator, we have actually better idea. No, actually, what it should, instead of a division operator, we instead have the subtraction operator. But no, that's not going to be. No, it's going to have to be a color rect. Although we can't really might have to make it a panel, but for now it's a color rect. 0.33, 0.33, 6x. Gonna top out by -5 and the bottom by 5. And yeah. Equation. Divide. So these equations are going to be composite objects. You can, in each number slot, you can put in a number or another equation, and should just add brackets accordingly, so we don't get any one of those troll images that actually requires a given order. Okay. Then we'll do the power. Okay, 0.5, and then we'll have this. Hide the operator. 0.5 of this one come up a bit. What I can do instead is just do something like this. Just make it so it's slightly less big. These number holders, I believe, have a custom minimum size, or one of the... This has a custom minimum size. If I get full wrecked. Custom minimum size is off, that's fine. There we go. Also, all of these have a script called equation on it, which has an export of the equation type. So that's how we evaluate them. Add is exactly the same, except this is a plus sign. Last one is a subtract. Right. Okay. So equation needs to be added here. Export that. Equation type's null, but this is multiply. This will be divide. This is exponent. Don't need that. This is addition, and finally this one is subtraction. Save, or I've run the game board, which saves everything. Saves everything automatically. So I want to find a way of dragging this, and then the I'll drag this and then drag this in here, and it should come up with, this should come up with 13. Also, if I want to do that, I want to also, instead of spawning a new one, I want to drag the X here and put it into there, and so it will create a new multiplier scene with the brackets around it. Well, the first thing we can do is the number holder. Where are you? In this scene. We've only been at this for half a day and we've still got the whole this equation slot. Why is it in? Yeah. Number holder. Where are you? Or is it equation slot now? Number holder. That was it. I just put this. Okay, equation slot is there. both of these need to ignore mouse input. Now, drop into canvas item. Let me just close all the other tabs on here. Canvas item. Canvas item shaders. No, just want canvas item. That's where to get its position. Doesn't look like it. Get position. No. Okay. So this is, or rather what I can do is, if item is control print control dropped elif item is node 2D print node 2D dropped else print nothing dropped. We need to get rid of this taskbar on here. Oh well. Wait, let me try something. No, nothing too bad. Right. I might need to get have a sort of a manager object to work out which dice is being dragged. Which I'm guessing, no. Here maybe. But it, I don't know, it shouldn't no, actually I'm going to have it as its own node. All of these are going to be children of this dice manager object, which lets me do something like dragged die, which is a number display, somewhat. It's not, it's a number holder, which is not the best display. Not the best name for it, actually. Oh well. turned on ready. Search help. No, because of course it can't. No, it doesn't show. Connect. Okay, so I can't do a lambda. Fuck. So yeah, I have to do this ridiculous thing. What the hell am I doing? Yeah, I'm gonna need to connect those as well. Right, then instead of number holder, we move it into here. Which means that we can get rid of these. Actually, I'm just gonna comment them out. Right, there is a bit of a fiddliness with each one, but oh well. This needs to go. Okay, so we now have a way of getting exactly which die has been dropped into wherever. Which lets us put these as signals. If I can spell signal correctly. Oh. Oh, that's fine. Right. Get ready, then, yeah. So this equation area, we need to get a way of getting this dice manager. I don't want to call it... No, it's not going to be an auto load. It could be an auto load. I don't know. But then it would have to... No, I'd have to register each one with it, so it's not going to be an auto load. These buttons. Right, draggable equation. Something like that. So these should be their own scene. Power button, then draggable. Yeah, okay. Not a resource. A scene. Right. An equation of a button. That's going to be a... It's not going to be an invisible button. And no, not a texture button. Yeah, texture buttons are just too fiddly. I found you might as well just put a texture rect as a child of the button. Okay. Both of these should ignore mouse input. I'm using the word power when I really should use the word exponent, but well, as long as I'm consistent, it shouldn't come up with too much problem. Then I'm making another one called a Draggable, which does its own thing. Come on. Can you not be so bloody unresponsive for once? Add, divide, power, subtract, multiply. That's the last one. Okay. Right. These should not be a grid container. Or rather, it could be. No. Because then I'd need to detach them. I'd need to detach these and reattach them if I'm going to need to do that. Unfortunately. Okay, so I'll make this a control. All this equation buttons. Actually, we'll hide all these because I might need to copy paste their sizes. Power, BID, divide, MAS. Right, oh, and this is not a child of add. Right, transform size has to be 100 by 100. Actually, I could probably do that with all of them. 100 by 100. And of course, they're in the same position, which isn't great, but oh well. Actually, what I can do is this pretty boring way of it. So yeah, I'm just going to have to sort of mimic a container, but not really. Yeah. It do be like that sometimes. So 1 divided by 5 is 0.2. Divide is custom 0.2, 0.4, and this has gone way out. Actually, probably no. All of these to custom. Yes. Sure. Grow direction. Vertical will be from the top right. Same as these move always. Yeah. Right. Top. This is where they're going towards rather than from. Anchor offsets, you can set them all to be 0. Right. 0.4, 0.6. That is 0.6, 0.8. Point 8, 1. Now, that leaves them as squares, right? Yes. No. Oh. Yeah, close enough. It's mainly because this is its own thing. Ah, well. They work so far. Right. So we'll need a way of dragging and dropping this. So the button base, which is not this, but this. Button down needs to connect to these. So create another script. Wait, did I already create a script? No, that's for the equation slots. Equation. No, this is not in the scenes. It's in the blooming scripts. Here we go. Equation button. At export equation type, which is n. What? It's right fucking here. Hang on. GD script global enum. What's the best way to clear blah 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 blah? Don't care, blah 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 blah. Constant break, constant turn. How do I declare a global named enum? File type export, blah, blah, blah. Not possible to declare global enums directly because blah, blah. Oh, fuck. Global enum in export variable. Export via some more equals game. Okay, so we have to do something like this. There we go. Bit of a hack, but whatever. And then signal drag. It's only been just over half a day and I'm still at the point where I don't think equation's a real word anymore. I'm going to be completely nuts by the end of this. Okay. So mouse down would be that, and then mouse up would be the other thing, and then I'm going to need another bloody equation but a manager, aren't I? No, actually, no, I don't, because there's no chance of it overlapping, because it should go back to its original position when we stop dragging it. Yes. Let me actually... I meant to do this at the start of the stream, but I want to post my thing in the promo. Yes. Right. Var equation times equation type, and then what? Oh. So I got blooming distracted. Like this button down is the drag, button up would be... Okay, so function on drag emit signal equation drag comma equation type, also var dragged equals emit signal of drag equation type dragged equals true. And it should move accordingly. And its corresponding on drop function. False, and then position equals original. Position. And because we don't have an original position stored, we create it. Original position. Then on process, if we're being dragged, then completely forgotten was. We don't need to multiply it by scale because these are just going to be set their size directly. We're not going to be scaling them. Okay. Oh, also, we need to hook these up. Button down is on drag. And button up is on drop. So on button up means that we release that button or drop it. Print dropped %s. Yeah, one thing I really would wish that GDScript put in from C# is this sort of thing. Other than this percentage thing, it's clunky. I know it's the Python way of doing things, but I don't know. Okay. And then right. Open all of these scenes. Oh. Can you open multiple scenes? Now add, divide, multiply, subtract, or hit enter. That only opens the one that we clicked last. Fine. So this is a subtract. This is an exponent. This is a multiply. And this is a divide. Oh, and this is an add as well. Save all. It is, yes, Control Shift Alt. Yeah, nah. My thing's RSI idled as it is, unfortunately. Oh wait, hang on. Sorry, someone's got me on Discord. Hang on a sec. Give me a sec. I want to send this guy a link to what I'm thinking of, but it might be copyrighted, so give me a sec.
Numbers up.
Okay, there we go. Yeah, just sent a guy a clip from Countdown. Obviously I don't want to get copy struck, so I had to like mute the audio for a bit. And so it says I've written the descriptions for a few enemies, relics, etc. If you're interested in doing icons, character art, etc. There we go. Right. Yeah, that guy originally messaged me a few hours ago, so should have been a bit more on the ball. Oh well. This is the drop into, but no. Right. Am I on? Oh yeah, the game board. Right. Let's see if this works. And when I click the exponent button, it should go to. It should say. Oh. Okay. Are they? Why haven't these updated to have the script on them? Okay. Oh, I've just realised I've got to bloody reposition them all again if they're going to be like that. Right, I'm going to try reloading the project, and if they don't have the things, then I'm gonna cry because I've done this whole bloody anchoring thing for nothing. Or rather, I'm gonna have to do it all over again. No, that's the script editor, you wazzock. Right. They this. That. No, don't want my bloody panels. Here, script editor. Whew. Okay, there we go. Game board, and oh, it's not like, updated. Fuck! Thing is, you can't copy and paste the whole bloody transforms, because this would be easy if I could just, you know, click something like copy this whole preset settings. But I'm going to show you what happens when you do. If I add, I don't know, an equation button right here, paste layout mode, it just doesn't do shit. It just seems to think that, oh, here we go, paste the custom value, and it doesn't paste the custom anchors. Which kind of sucks, but oh well, we go again. Can't believe this. Look, open it. Oh look, what's this? It's a script. So why isn't it on the first thing? Oh well. Right. A is 0.6, second from last. This is going to suck. No, just might as well add them. I just want to make sure that we can drag and drop this. There we go. And yeah, if we drop something inside here, it will say, yo, plus. There we go. Wait, hang on. Right. Okay. Hopefully I'll be collabing with someone, but I don't want to speak too soon. So we won't have any programmer art, unfortunately for you guys. Divide. And then this custom will be 0.2, 0.4, and then finally multiply, which is in the middle. 0.4, 0.6. I don't want this. Right, let's see if we can. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are integers, but I can easily convert to and from. Right. Oh yes, there we go. Right, so we've dragged everything in. Now we just need to know where we drop it into this equation area. Probably focus. No, focus into that won't work because I'm already dragging the button, and the button will have the focus. So, that labels should probably be the current total. Right, that's all put in. Also probably want to make it so that if I double click, if I double click one of these, it'll be the same as chucking it in or chucking it into the first holder. So the equation area should be it should be like a sort of a null equation, then it would... No, that wouldn't be it. Just need to get the global rectangle, then if we drop it within the global rectangle, then add it. So the equation area should be keeping a running total of where each one is. No. Okay. That multiply button is... Oh, wait, yes, there are. These can be deleted. And then this should update. Or maybe not, because I need to save it, and these should all... Yep, disappear. Unpress power, unpress divide, unpress multiply. Okay, so we can keep these, but we can add a power. So... Equation area is a control. If I take a look at control, there is a way to get its global rectangle. Because I've done it before, but I'm not entirely sure if it's get global rect or get rect or something like that. Okay, global. Offset. No. Set position size. If on mouse exited, that is not occluded, provided this mouse filter lets it. No. Get global rect. There we go. Okay. Function on equation button drop. Is an equation type. Pass that. If our mouse, okay, so far mouse position equals I will commit this to memory someday. Game board, that's what I want. If get global rect dot... No, if equation area get global rect. Has point. Rect to... It is has point, right? Has point, yes. Add equation. root equation, call it that. Yeah. Bar equation root equals no, not yet, because it won't be initialized when we're ready, so it needs to be put in. If equation root is not null, no, if equation root is null, then okay, fine, we'll do an equality. Then we switch on, not switch, it's match. Because it's called exponent, not power. I'll do it. You know, something like this. Instead of reaching a number of life of monster, monster serves the boss of a board game that the chosen hollows are playing. In addition to dice, you can use other random elements like cards, flip coins, roulettes. It's the same but with another skin. What do you think? Make that number of the life of a monster that serves as the boss of a board game. Can you send zip files through sure that these things are readable. Completely forgot I was streaming. Hang on. Sorry, I'm just talking with the artist. Here we are. I can just do this. Yeah, I'm probably gonna probably cut the VOD off after about what, hour and a bit. Then just put a note on the VOD saying like, the rest of this time was spent communicating with the artist. As a result, it's boring and we got rid of it. Yeah. Right, listen, this is going to be completely boring. I don't think I'll be streaming these, mainly because I'm going to have to divide my attention between talking with the artist and doing the stuff on here, so there's not going to be a lot happening on the screen, so I'm going to cut it here. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day wherever you are in the world. Ta-ta for now.